Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mouse pointer trace in Windows 11. If you want to change these settings, you need to click right mouse button icon with a start and you need to open settings. Then from the left panel you need to go to accessibility settings, and here on mouse pointer and touch settings we can find really interesting options which will let you to change settings for mouse pointer color, size and any other different settings. And if you have opened this tab, I recommend you to scroll down and find here something like mouse pointer trace. This option will make mouse pointer movement easier to see by showing previous position for a short time. If you want to enable it, you need to click on this gray dot. After that, this option will be enabled and you will see here mouse pointer trace length. So you can adjust this option here. You can decrease this option or you can increase this option, yeah? So you can see here the effect of the changing this option, yeah? Of course, remember that you can always turn off this option if you want by clicking on this one white dot. After that, mouse pointer trace will not be visible anymore. So in this way, you can adjust mouse pointer trace settings in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.